Take a ride in the 2020 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, heated front seats, trip computer, power windows, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, CD player, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.